Hey friends, welcome back to the Essential Wellness Podcast with AJ's EO Infusions for your natural self-care, essential oils, and handcrafted wellness. I'm Jenice Story, and today we're diving into a super particular topic, carrier liquids. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you never miss a moment of inspiration, insight, or a wellness win. We're building something beautiful here, and trust me, you'll want to be part of every glow up. Let's keep rising one episode at a time. So have you ever wondered if you can swap ingredients like witch hazel, vodka in your DIY recipes? I've got you covered. Welcome to the Essential Wellness Podcast with Jenice Story, where self-care meets soul care. Whether you're blending oils or building rituals, we're here to help you make every drop count naturally. Let's explore simple swaps, holistic habits, and clean beauty breakthroughs that actually work. It's time to glow, grow, and thrive together. Quick disclaimer, the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. As a nurse, I'm sharing general wellness information and not providing medical advice. Please consult with a healthcare provider for any health concerns. As an aromatherapist, I am providing information about the use of essential oils. Please consult with a qualified aromatherapist before using essential oils, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, have any health concerns, conditions, or if you are new to essential oils. Essential oils should always be diluted appropriately before application and always perform a patch test before using any new products. So what are carrier liquids anyway? So when working with essential oils, you'll often need something to carry or disperse your oils, especially when you're creating sprays or mists. That's where ingredients like witch hazel, vodka, or even rubbing alcohol come in. So let's start with witch hazel. This is a gentle carrier. It's amazing for skincare, especially when you have the alcohol-free version. It helps to also mix the oils and the water while staying gentle on your skin. And that's why we use it in many of our pillow mists and facial sprays. Then we have vodka. It is a natural preserver. So let's talk vodka. Not for drinking this time. High proof vodka, at least 80 proof, is great because it helps the essential oils dissolve and it evaporates quickly, leaving no residue. So it's ideal for room mists and linen sprays. Can you use rubbing alcohol instead? That's a great question. I get asked that a lot, and the answer is yes, but sometimes. So rubbing alcohol can work in place of the witch hazel or vodka, but you've got to know when. So you can use it in room sprays, cleaning sprays, where you need to add that disinfecting part and it dries super fast. You want to avoid applying it or using it directly on your skin, especially in like a facial spray or a pillow mist, because it can be too harsh and drying. So a quick snapshot, room spray, yes. Rubbing alcohol works well. Linen spray, linen spray, yes, but it has a stronger smell. Pillow mist, need to use with caution. It can cause skin irritation. Facial or body spray, no. Let's stick to witch hazel or aloe vera. Cleaning spray, absolutely. Great swap there. When in doubt, keep it simple. Listen to your skin. At AJ's EO Infusions, we're all about safe, natural solutions that work in harmony with your body and space. So if today's episode sparked that aha moment, Head over to our blog for more clean living swaps that you can actually trust. And don't forget, our lip butter scrub is made with essential oils that love your skin back. And you can shop now at AJ's EO Infusions. Thanks for tuning in, and if you haven't already, check out our signature lip butter scrubs infused with lavender, peppermint, and frankincense for that ultimate self-care glow. You can shop at AJ's EO Infusions, and until next time, I'm Jenice Story, wishing you peace, wellness, and all the calm vibes with care always.